Hey, my name is Blake. I serve as the CEO at Essentium, and we're here at Formnext 2019, where Essentium's unveiling the first 3 out of 10 configurations for our HSE 180. The HSE stands for high-speed extrusion, and what we've got here is a high-speed extrusion machine that's printing parts between 5 and 15 times faster than any other extrusion platform in the market. Take a look for yourself, and what you'll find is that we lay down the plastic so fast that we create strong parts with incredible accuracy at speeds. What this does for our customers is unlock ROI-enabled additive manufacturing, where our customers can afford, in some cases, to get payback within 1 month of deploying an HSE on the factory floor. As you guys know, a machine is only half the story. We also have to talk about the materials, and then the combination of those 2 technology sets are what provide really great parts. Essentium's launching here at Formnext 2019 4 new materials: a reformulated PEEK, especially for additive manufacturing, and 3 high-temperature nylon materials, including 2 that use our proprietary multi-layered filament structure. With multi-layered filament, we can get away from some of the limitations of the past, such as poor bonding strength and a lack of electrical conductivity. In addition to that, we can make filaments that are so loaded with carbon fiber that, in fact, we are printing tools and molds and very stiff structures for things like circuit board assembly and final device assembly. Why don't you come over here and I'll show you what I mean. So I want to highlight a couple of the use cases that we're showing here at Formnext 2019. So this material is our HTN CF25. That's a high temperature nylon with 25% carbon fiber. This material is high temp. It's a polyamide polyphthalate blend, which means it survives at temperatures where typical nylons just fail. In addition, we have 25% carbon fiber, which makes this material incredibly stiff, dimensionally accurate, and very strong. What this is used for, this particular example, is a processing tray for circuit boards. When the circuit board needs to have the components placed on top of the board and go through a soldering oven, this tray can hold the board in the right spot and survive temperatures of solder. That's one of the exciting applications for this new material. Another application for the HTN CF25 would be for electronic device assembly, such as, for example, potentially an Amazon Echo Dot. In many cases, what you see in factories is folks need to assemble all the components that actually go inside of an electronic device, and this tray has got to be stiff, strong, and also ESD safe. When I say ESD, what I mean is electrostatically dissipative safe materials, so that if you have a static shock on my body, then the jig or the fixture actually takes the static shock instead of the device itself. So for everything in the world with a circuit board, which if y'all are anything like me, you've got a phone, 2 tablets, Alexa, that means that all of the manufacturing tooling for circuit boards has to be ESD safe. And so we're excited about also the fact that our materials are clean room safe. And with that, I just want to say thanks, and come check out the technologies at Essentium that are offering new solutions from the extrusion additive community. We've had a great trade show at Formnext 2019 so far, and stay tuned for more exciting stuff. Thanks, and have a great day.